Rainbow Mountain, Peru, originally known as Vinicunca, found in the Andes Mountains of Peru. It's located in the Peruvian Andes in Cusco, just 3 hours away from the historical center. Rainbow Mountain is becoming the main attraction to see after or before Machu Picchu. As you could guess, the mountain is famed for its natural multicolored beauty as a straddling 5,200 meters above sea level. This rainbow-like appearance is created by the sediment of minerals throughout the area, giving the mountain the lavender, gold, and other colors. It was only recently discovered due to the snow melting, revealing the hidden gem that's still considered holy by many until this day. Since its discovery, Rainbow Mountain has slowly started gaining popularity and has even been listed in National Geographic Top 100 Places to Visit Before You Die. Once the mountain's existence was known outside of the local communities, it started attracting locals and travelers alike. First having a couple of dozen of people to now taking in hundreds of visitors a day. The first things that caught everyone's attention was, you guessed it again, the colors seen in how rare else. But that was not the only thing. It's one of those places where the whole journey is as amazing as the destination. Llamas, horses, and alpacas are dispersed all over the range, with local communities still living almost the same life as before, but now also helping visitors discover the colored mountain. The scenery along the trek is just like the pictures, and even they don't do it justice something and do this the geological and local history is no wonder why it's gaining popularity. Main facts about it is Rainbow Mountain is at an altitude of more than half of Mount Everest. It is also known as Vinicunca, a word originating from Peru's native tongue Quechua, which translates to colored mountain. The mountain is made up of 14 different colorful minerals. Just 4 years ago, it was entirely covered in snow, making it impossible to fully witness the beauty of the mountain. Temperatures still drop below 0 degree at night. Good to know for anyone visiting Rainbow Mountain on a multi-day trek. Llamas and alpacas can be seen dotted all along the route to Vinicunca. Weather can change rapidly from snow to rain to sun in an hour. You can rent a horse at any point on the way. If you begin to find the trek difficult, you do not need to have one hired from the beginning. And there is also another famous mountain which called Rainbow Mountain is located in China, which called Shanghai Danxia Geopark, China. This is also called a Rainbow Mountain of China, and this is also formed in same way